Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be discussing about how to properly assign keyboard and mouse to a workplace as well as Logitech G Hub application and its issue sometimes not detecting its devices. So let's get started. Let me open Aster control here. Okay, so let me go to Aster workplaces, and as you can see here, all of the devices, peripheral devices, keyboard, mouse are assigned to the first workplace. So let's start with assigning the monitor to the second place. Please note that I have three monitors, 1.3, 1.1 and 1.2, and if I drag one of the monitors to place 2 and drop it, I'll get a device conflict resolved message, and this is shown because you are not able to have two monitors that is connected to one graphic card on one of the workplace and third monitor that is connected to the same graphic card on another workplace. It is not supported by Windows and to share the graphic card when you have multiple monitors assigned to one of the workplace. So this is just a simple information telling you that you cannot share any of its graphics card to another workplace. That's all. And currently I only have the Intel graphics, so I cannot share the graphics to another workplace if I have two monitors to it. So just click OK, and this is not an issue, this is not an error, it's just an information telling you that you cannot share graphic card with another workplace if you want to have two monitors in one workplace. So if I just drag it here, then there is no conflict. But if you have three monitors and if you have two monitors in one workplace and want to assign the third to another one, then you will get the device conflict resolved, and the third monitor will go to system and show up here. So let me save it, and as you can see here, currently 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 keyboards and 5 mouse icons are present here. And let me tell you that I only have two keyboard. One is the laptop's keyboard and another is the keyboard for the second workplace, and I have two mouse attached to the laptop and the touchpad itself. So 3 mouse icons should be present, but there are 5, and only 2 keyboard icons should be present, but there are 7. So why is that? It's because keyboards and mouse can appear as composite devices, as in it can function as more than one device, mouse and keyboard. So let me show you. Let me disconnect one of the mouse. As you can see, one of the mouse icon and a keyboard icon is missing or disappeared, and if I reconnect it, and you can see here these two are the mouse and keyboard icon for the particular mouse, which is Logitech G502 mouse. So I have assigned both of the keyboard and mouse icon, which corresponds to the Logitech G502 mouse, to second workplace. And okay, let me just save it, and let me disconnect the keyboard. As you can see, 2 keyboard icons is missing now, and if I reconnect, you can see that 2 keyboard icon has appeared. So I'll just drag and drop both of them to the second workplace. Now I have properly assigned the keyboard and the mouse to second workplace, and any special functionalities or multimedia keys or macro keys from the keyboard or mouse will function properly now. If you forget to assign all of the keyboard or mouse icon corresponding to the device to a workplace, then some of the functionalities may be lost. And when you indicate a device, only one icon will highlight. Same with mouse, only one icon is highlighting. Even though I'm pressing all of the keys in the mouse, only one icon is highlighting. So this step is crucial if you are facing some issues about some mouse button not working or some keys or macros from keyboard is not working, then you have to follow this way so that it's properly assigned to the workplace. Similarly, I have another mouse that is Logitech G502, and as you saw, it also corresponds to one keyboard icon and one mouse icon, and the last one mouse is the touchpad, and these two are also mouse icons, but these are just HID compliant mouse, so these can be removed from here and placed to system, so that it's does not assign to any workplaces. Similarly, laptop's keyboard, and if you see like HID keyboard device generic icon like this, then you can remove this from a workplace and assign it to a system, or unassign the device so that it goes back to the system. But for full functionalities or some multimedia functionalities or special keys, it's best if you assign the devices to the workplace and check its functionalities. So now I have assigned the devices to corresponding workplaces. Let me, okay, I've already applied. Now, moving on, let me open Logitech G Hub application and show you that the 3 devices are currently detected here, and Logitech G203 LightSync is assigned to first workplace, and the other 2 devices, G502 Hero and G512 keyboard, is assigned to the second workplace. Now let me enable Aster, and once rebooted, I'll show you how to use the Logitech G Hub application properly. So I have finished rebooting the computer and both of the workplaces have started. Let me open Aster control to show you. And as you can see, Aster is enabled and the 2 workplaces are showing and working now. So you may be wondering why the icons are so big. Let me fix that and adjust device icons, and if I click OK, it will reopen Aster control with proper icon sizes. Okay, so everything's good now, and as you can see here, the keyboard, mouse, all of the devices are working properly now. And let's open Logitech G Hub in the first workplace. Okay, G Hub application. Now you see that the G203 LightSync device, mouse that I assigned to the first workplace is showing here. Now if I move back to first workplace and open the Logitech G Hub application, keep in mind that the application is running on the first workplace already. So you see that the application is showing only the G203 LightSync mouse that's detected in first workplace, as I have the application running on the first workplace as well. So let me close the application on the first workplace and also on the second workplace, and let me reopen it on second workplace here. And okay, I did not exit it, the application, I only closed it. You have to exit it like this, and once it has once the application is exited on the first workplace, the second workplace, you can see the G502 and G512 keyboard is detected properly. And if I open the application on first workplace, you'll see that the Logitech G Hub application will display the detected devices from the second workplace. And so to get around it, you have to make sure that you closed the application in one workplace before making any changes or running the application on another workplace. As Logitech G Hub application does not support multi-instance, that is why you see the detected devices from another workplace on this workplace. So let me go back to the first workplace after closing this, and now here I can just make changes as desired. Okay, so I just increased the DPI. So the keys on the mouse are working properly now, and similarly if I try it on the other one. Okay, so as I close the application properly on the first workplace, the application restarted itself. Now it's showing now the first workplace's devices. Let me exit it here as well. Yeah, so the application that was running on the first workplace, I closed it properly, and as you can see, the devices are detected properly. So this is how you can get around the issue of Logitech G Hub application not detecting the devices properly that are assigned to a corresponding workplace. So if you have any questions regarding this, you can reach out to us through WhatsApp or Telegram, or send a technical report from Aster Control to us, and we will provide you with a solution. And thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos about Aster.